Okay, we'll roll it between your legs. Dada's gonna roll it.
You ready? Oh, okay, I'll try another one. Open your legs. Ah! Wait, one more. One more. Yay!
Yay!
Okay. One more, you ready? Okay, look. Yeah, that's... Row. Okay, try and get weight on there and I'll roll between your legs. Okay, that's good. Okay, turn around. Whoa. Oh. Oh! Why'd you stop it? It was going to go through. Oh, do you want Daddy to hike the ball to you?